Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to discuss why your FBA stock is showing as reserved. So there are a few reasons behind it. So I'm just going to show you the main reasons. So normally, if it's one or two or three, most likely it's a pending order from your customer. If it's more than that, then that means they are transferring the stock to different warehouses, and it will go more than one warehouse, so there might be different time frame to check in the stock. So you can get the full details here under reserved, as you can see from my screen, and if you expand it, it will show you the breakdown. So for in this scenario, you can see the customer orders are 3, FC transfer is 48, and FC processing, that means it's checking in the stock, and the total is 60. So even for the FC transfer, this might go to different warehouses, more than one warehouse. So you have to keep that in mind. And normally, they tend to be really fast. Within 1 week, they will transfer the goods. And even though it's on transfer, it's on reserved, the buyers will be able to buy it, but there will be a delay in the shipment, so it will be mentioned on the listing. So this is how it looks like. And if you can't see this option here on your Seller Central, then you have to go to Preference and make sure that you have selected that option here. I hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching. We do post a lot of videos about eBay and Amazon. So if that's something interests you, then please do subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.
And remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.